Beating MEG Endless Reality, but my room fills with carbon monoxide. Let's find out.
Alright, let's see the levels for hub. Cargoers, yay. Okay, let's try to speedrun this objective. One, three. Oh my god. Dead end, dead end, no! Ah, there's a fourth one, bro. And I'm gonna die in three, two, one. Alright, that was a zone. Oh my gosh, this is check. Alright, let's speedrun this, I guess. One. Oh my. Oh, guys, I'm a bit dizzy as of now. I don't know why. Why am I so tired? Um, a stander. Why is there a stander chasing me? Alright, that's the second camera down. Two more to left. Why is the stander chasing me, bruh? What did I do? Ow. Oh. Tree. Why is this stander still chasing me? Oh my gosh, why is there a bacteria? Alright, four. Did they buff the bacteria? Wait, what am I supposed to do again? Huh? Oh yeah, I forgot. I have to do more objectives, I guess. Oh my gosh, there's a stander nearby. When are the standers so not friendly? Oh my gosh, get me away. And what? Why is there a skin stealer? Where are the objectives? Hang on. Why is there a stander and skin stealer still chasing me? Ow. Oh, yes, room. Haha, skin stealer, you cannot get me. Objective failed, I guess. Time to do. Let's get some check. Which one? The after party.